Yo, Jasmy coin holders, I am looking at the charts right now, and it appears that we have some bad news for the Jasmy coin price. So take a look at the charts right now, guys, because it appears that Jasmy coin in the daily time frame charts has broken back into this trend line of resistance, this resistance trend line, which we have been looking out for the past few weeks for Jasmy. So yeah, for the past week we broke above this trend line, which is bullish news. But the bad news right now is that we came back down to test this, and we unfortunately have failed to hold it as support. We broke below it, as you guys can see right here. We broke back in towards the trend line, and now this is gonna act as resistance once again instead of acting as support, and that is why this is potentially bad news for the Jasmy coin price, because this could mean that, again, if we do come back up to test this level right here for the Jasmy coin price, if we do come back up right here in the near future, this is gonna act as resistance, and we could pretty much dump back towards the downside. That is why right now this is looking dangerous for Jasmy coin. So what can we expect right now for Jasmy coin, for the Jasmy coin price in the short term, in the next couple of days or weeks? What can we expect? Well, for now, guys, I want you to still look out for this red zone as support, because it is a critical support zone. It has acted as critical support historically, and therefore if we do ever see Jasmy coin come back down to this level, I'm expecting support to kick in. I'm expecting the bulls to try to take over and have a bounce from there, because the worst case scenario is if we do see Jasmy coin lose this red zone of support, that could lead to more future bearish price action right over here. So for that to not happen, in order to maintain bullishness, we must see the Jasmy coin price hold this red zone as support at all costs, because losing this level could be very, very detrimental for the price. So as long as we're above this red zone, the Jasmy coin price is still looking good. But yeah, so far the price action right now, if we do zoom out, it looks very boring. I understand that. The entire crypto market price action right now is very, very boring, but that doesn't change how I view the market. I am still expecting that in the next couple of months, we're going to be seeing a recovery for crypto, and we're going to be seeing that parabolic run towards the upside for Bitcoin and for altcoins. And that is why I'm not selling my positions right now for my altcoins, and I'm sticking to the plan. All right, because I still think that we are in a bull market, and I still think that we are not in a bear market, regardless if the price action right now looks bearish, because this to me just looks like a momentary pullback or a correction, and this is usually normal in bull markets. Of course, we have seen this in the previous cycle where Bitcoin has dumped down and has stayed down for a couple of months before having that recovery, and those who left the market too early regretted it, of course. And I'm pretty much sure that we are seeing the same thing right now for crypto. So yep, my view still remains the same. I'm still bullish long term, but in the short term though, just watch out, because right now it looks like Jasmy coin is at a very bad spot right now, because we broke back into this resistance trend line. Therefore, if we do rally in the future towards the upside, we could expect resistance to kick in right here, and we could potentially get rejected and move back down. That's what I'm saying. But if we do talk about the long term right now, if we do move into the weekly time frame like this, you guys can see that to me this looks pretty much like a healthy correction, because as you guys can see, the general trend for Jasmy is still up, and we're just in this long correction, which many people are losing their patience on. So yeah, right now my targets for Jasmy coin is, or are still the same. We are still targeting 0.5 cents to $1 as our bull cycle targets for Jasmy coin, which will place Jasmy at around a $15 billion market cap. So that's pretty much all the information you need to know. So drop like, subscribe, and let's get lit, bros. See ya in the next video.